Let's adjust the Gates belt tension on a Solar Sparrow. With a 5mm Allen wrench, loosen the bottom 2 bolts near the rear dropout. Do not take them out. Do the same on the other side. On the Gates phone application, choose Bicycle. You will measure the belt frequency for tension adjustment with the microphone on your phone. Hold the device microphone facing the belt. Pluck the belt so that it vibrates similar to a guitar string. Rotate the crank quarter turn and repeat the frequency measurement at least 2 more times. Record 4 frequencies and use average measurement provided for a more accurate reading. Compare frequency measurements to recommended tension. In this case, we will adjust the belt tension to 40 Hz. We recommend being in a very quiet room with no external sound because the microphone will pick up anything from passing cars to people talking outside. You can tap the microphone button to mute the microphone before we start. Bring your phone in front of the belt and pluck. Rotate the crank quarter turn and repeat the measurement 3 more times until you have 4 readings. Our current frequency average is 36 Hz, so we will need to tighten the belt tension until it reaches 40 Hz. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, locate the bolt underneath the rear dropout. We will use quarter clockwise turns on both sides to tighten it. Repeat the frequency reading process by plucking the belt and rotating the crank quarter turns. Our frequency average from the 4 readings is now 40 Hz. Retighten the loosened bolts near the rear dropout. Do the same on the other side. Great job! You have successfully adjusted your Gates belt tension. Need help? Call us at 866-729-8075 or email support@euphree.com.